Hey food lovers! I've spent months perfecting this recipe just for you. In this crystal clear bowl, we're combining 10 grams of salt, a tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper, 2 generous tablespoons of paprika for that gorgeous color and depth, and our secret weapons, dried garlic and onion, 1 tablespoon each. This combination is what makes our ribs stand out from anything you've tried before. Watch how these spices create a beautiful symphony of colors as we mix them together. Now, this is where the magic begins. The next step is flavoring the meat. Look at how these premium ribs are just waiting to be transformed. We're going to coat them thoroughly with our spice blend, making sure every single piece gets the royal treatment it deserves. You deserve nothing but the best, and that's exactly what we're creating here. Time for the crucial step, the perfect sear. Notice how I'm using a spacious pan here. This is intentional, as we want each piece to have its own space to develop that irresistible golden crust. Add enough oil to ensure even cooking. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. That's the sound of perfection in the making. While our ribs are transforming, let's prepare our heavenly glaze. This sauce is what turns good ribs into an unforgettable experience. We're combining 2 tablespoons of golden honey. See how it glistens. Now, the fresh zing of lemon juice. I'm using a bit more than a tablespoon because I found that extra citrus really makes the flavors pop. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. It truly means the world to share these carefully crafted recipes with such amazing viewers like you. Finally, 45 grams of premium soy sauce to bring everything together with its rich umami depth. Watch closely now. This is where years of experience come into play. For the final glazing step, pour this liquid gold over your perfectly seared ribs. To caramelize the sugar, braise the ribs for a few minutes. Now, we're adding just a touch of water. This is a pro tip I'm sharing with you to achieve that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness that everyone raves about. See how the sauce immediately starts to caramelize? This is exactly what we want. Look at this final result. Absolutely stunning. The meat is glistening with that perfect glaze, tender enough to fall off the bone. If you enjoyed this journey of flavors, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me continue creating these special moments just for you. Until next time, keep cooking with love.